Pixel setup is important to collect all the information about your audience. In this video, I will show you how to set up Pixel on your website. Hello everyone, I'm Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we create a new Pixel. Just go to the Ad Manager. Now go to the All Tools here and go to the Business Settings. Now scroll down and click the data stores and click the dataset. Look at the add options, just click the add and we just create our new pixel. I just write Rakiubl GFO and just create it. Look at that, there is my new pixels and it is our pixels ID. Now I go to the Google Tag Manager options, go to the templates. We just click the search gallery and just search Facebook. We just click the Facebook archive, add to the workspace and just add it. Now we go to the tag options, just load it and click the new and just search here the Facebook. That is our Facebook archive, the Facebook pixels. Just click it and that is our Facebook ID here. I just copy our Facebook pixel ID, just copy it and here the paste. We just select the page view options that are already selected and just trigger the all pages, and I just put the name of our pixel ID. Just add and save it. And just submit it. Continue. Now we can see that our Facebook pixel actually work or not. Just preview that. Just click the preview and put the website URL here. Put the website URL. Just paste here and then continue. Our Google Tag Manager and our website is already connected. Now we just click the open the event manager. Here we can see that all the informations. That is our Facebook GFOs, the pixel IDs. Just click the test event and I just activate activities in our website. Just go to the page options and go to the select there and any kind of products. Just scroll down here and I just see Facebook event is already fire here and I just look at that. So that's a look, our pixel setup is already connected and in the actual work. That is the simple process of how to set up your pixel in our website. So that is for today guys. Is there any problem? You just contact me, link in the descriptions.